combination can elevate that outfit, making it look classy, chic, cohesive, and sophisticated. In fashion, each color has a different representation, each color has a different meaning, and you want to pair those colors to represent your outfit, to make your outfit look good, classy. So guys, on today's video we'll be talking about colors and color combination, how you can be able to combine these colors to come out with something meaningful, to come out with something good, something classy. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES space, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty. We do a little bit of everything, so just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. So like I earlier said, today we'll be talking about colors and colors combination. You want to pair that outfit to come up with something good, something meaningful, something classy, and something chic. So without wasting so much of your time, let's get into the video. So we're going to begin with the first one, which is navy and white. Navy represents strength, authority, professionalism, and trust, while white represents purity, simplicity, peace, and innocence. So a combination of both navy and white will give you a classic and timeless, elegant balance of strength and clarity. The second one, we have camel and black. Black represents power, sophistication, mystery, while camel represents warmth, comfort, and elegance. So a combination of both camel and black will give you a chic and grounded appearance, blending luxury with warmth. Generally, this look is common during the fall period or the winter period. So you want to dress this way, you want to pair these colors to give you a more classy and chic look. So the next one that we're going to have is olive green and beige. Olive green represents nature, resilience, and calm, while beige on the other hand represents simplicity, warmth, and neutrality. So you want to pair olive green and beige together and you're going to have an earthly and serene look, combining natural strength with subtle warmth. The next one we're going to have is white and tanned. White is just that color that goes with anything and everything, and the representation of white, like I earlier said, means purity, simplicity, and fresh. And tan on the other hand represents warmth, stability, and approachability. So a combination of white and tan together will give you a clean and inviting look, blending freshness and warmth. The next one on our list is rust orange and demi blue. Rust orange represents warmth, energy, and earthiness, while demi blue on the other hand represents calm, reliability, and comfort. So a combination of rust orange and demi blue together will give you a bold yet grounded, combining warmth with relaxed stability. The third one, we have lavender and gray. Lavender represents calm, creativity, and grace, while gray represents neutrality, sophistication, and balance. A combination of these two powerful colors will give you a soft and refined, blending serenity and elegance look. These two colors are both calm and shouting colors at the same time. If from the look you notice it's calm, but once you wear them or you pair them with something, it gives you a shouting appearance. And we move to the next one, which is pink and gray. Pink represents warmth, compassion, and playfulness, while gray represents neutrality, sophistication, and balance. A combination of pink and gray will give you a soft and modern, balancing warmth with calm sophistication. And now we're going to move to the next one, which is beige and white. White, as you already know, represents purity, simplicity, and freshness, and beige represents warmth, neutrality, and comfort. So a combination of these two colors will give you a clean and calming look, blending freshness with warmth. So guys, that is it for this video, and tell me in the comment section which color combination would you like to style your outfit with. Which color combination do you think is more preferable, or which color combination do you like? So guys, that's it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.